Dear Mom, you'll be surprised to know where I am. I'm currently in your hometown, Asan. This place is even more beautiful and wonderful than I expected. The trees and the mountains seems to clear my mind as well. Watching the flowers sway gently is truly delightful. And the view is impressive. And the breeze blows just enough to make my hair flutter. The wind and sunlight welcome everything. The nature here is incredibly beautiful. The lakeside sunset brings peace to my heart. I really wish I could visit beautiful Asan again with you.